Merida is the capital and the largest city in the Yucatan state in Mexico, as well as the largest city of the Yucatan Peninsula.
But the snake, the eagle had to be on a cactus. So that's what we have in our Mexican flag. In the middle of the shield, it's an eagle eating a snake, and the eagle is on the cactus. They found that where Mexico City is today, so that's what it symbolizes, the Aztec legend in the lake of Texcoco in Mexico City. And the remainings of this guy are here. Romulo Rosso, the guy who builds this monument by hands. He started by 1945 approximately to build it. Romulo Rosso. There's some traffic, as you can tell, as you can see. Yes.
A little bit of road rage over here. She's pissed.
Oh, I can tell.
Yeah, she was doing this a while ago.
I know.
Another McDonald's.
Yeah.
I've seen about three of
The
them.
party that we have, like Cinco de Mayo, is on September 16 here in Mexico. That's the Independence Day. One of the soldiers was from Texas when Texas was a part of Mexico. That's why they started celebrating that in Texas. Then Texas became a part of the USA, and that's why the Mexican community celebrates Cinco de Mayo in the USA.
Or on your next vacations, if you come back to Mexico, keep that in mind because that will be everywhere, right? Always look for a better deal. My friends, Merida, something I'm very happy to say, is considered as the safest city of the entire country. And that's been for 5 consecutive years. So if there's something you don't have to worry today, it's about somebody passing and steal your phones, steal your cameras, or anything like that. And basically, my friends, we'll be walking in the main square, in the main area. I will show you the Governor's Palace, I will show you the cathedral, I will show you the place that my friend shared about the ice cream, which is a traditional ice cream. So I will show you some interesting spots for you if you want to shop. Alright? So my friends, everything good?
Yes.
Yes, can we check time? I have right now 12 with 5 minutes. Right? Same time, right? Media hora más o menos. Okay. Okay, so I will set a time in a minute. Please take a look right now. We're going to go around the main square. This square on your left, that's the main plaza. I would like to ask you as well about our driver. Welcome to our driver. Let's share some thousands for our driver, Speedy Gonzalez, the best driver. And how about George? Do you think he's doing a good job? Let's share some applause for him. I guess he's doing excellent as well. Alright. And how about Charlie?
Numero uno.
Alright. On your right, this is a theater of the city.